Here I have Nokia 8 and let me show you how to bypass Google Verification on the following device. So let me show you how to remove the factory reset protection on the following phone. As you can see, at some point of initializing setup process you have to input your Google email and password, so your Google credentials, and let me show you how to bypass this step. Let's go back to the first screen, which is of course the welcome panel, and here we start the appropriate steps. But before we do anything on our smartphone, it's good to download the necessary tools for our PC. So let's use the tutorial from HardReset.Info. Let's install the USB drivers, mini ADB and fastboot with drivers, and the FRP unlocker. So I've got everything downloaded, unpacked and installed. It's worth to install both Android fastboot drivers and the Nokia USB drivers. And of course let's install and unpack the FRP unlocker. This is the unlocker from the HardReset.Info. We will use it later. So now on our PC, let's choose the vision settings. Select the talkback. Let's enable talkback. Tab OK. Let me use volume down to make the talkback mute. And now let's use talkback. So let's use the L letter on the screen to enable global context menu. Let's use talkback settings. Double tap. Here, if you would like to choose something, you need to tap it and then confirm it by double tap. Here you can navigate by using both keys. Let's scroll down to choose help and feedback. Double tap. Let's use the searcher. Double tap. Choose voice. Alright, let's choose voice. Double tap. Choose get started with voice access. Double tap. Let's play this video. Use the share key. Choose more key. These three dots. Double tap. Let's minimize this. Alright. Now let's use the following account icon in that corner. Double tap. Choose settings. Double tap. About. Select Google privacy policy. Also double tap. Let's select accept and continue. Choose no thanks. And here you can use the Chrome. So let's double tap right here and let's just clear it off, and let's use the following website. Download .HardReset.Info. Here I have this website. Let me double tap. Let's make it bigger, and here we have to choose the Nokia folder. So let's press somewhere and let's scroll down to highlight Nokia. Sorry, let me do it again. Let me highlight Nokia. Alright, when I have Nokia highlighted, let's double tap. Now let's open the FRP folder, but it will be easier to make it bigger. When I have FRP highlighted, let's double tap. Now let's make it bigger also, and let's open the Apex launcher. Double tap. Tap continue. Allow Chrome to access photos, media, etc. Tap OK. Double tap. Let's choose open right here. For security reason you need to change some settings, so let's choose settings of Chrome. Let's allow from this source. Let's go back. Tap install. The Nokia 8 is installing the Apex launcher. Tap open. Now let's use the phone icon. Let's activate the keypad and let's use this code. Asterisk hash 372733 hash asterisk. As you can see, the following code pops up, the following service menu. So now you have to open the FRP unlocker. I've got my FRP unlocker opened. And let's connect your device by using the USB-C cable. So here I have my USB-C connected to my PC, and let me connect my Nokia 8. The following message should pop up. Let's choose always allow from this computer for full USB debugging. Double tap here, choose open and choose OK, of course. And now you can observe on your FRP unlocker that the FRP unlocker detects your device. Your Android version, in my case, is 8.1, so it is the newest one with the newest security patch. It's always good to know this. Now let's choose unlock FRP. And as you can see, unlocking is successful. So now all you have to do is disconnect your device from your PC. Simply press together power key and volume up to restart the device. So let me do it. As you can see, the Nokia 8 is restarting, so let's wait until it will be done. Now we can press power key to switch on the Nokia 8. Right, let me choose Apex Launcher right here, double tap just once, and here you can use your device menu. Let's tap apps icon, choose settings. Here let me find and select the talkback. Here I have talkback. Let me disable the talkback right here. Alright, so now I can use the device without the talkback. So let's go to settings again, scroll down and let's choose system, select about phone. Here you need to find the build number and tap a couple of times on build number. Now you are a developer, you can go back, choose developer options. Let's enable OEM unlocking, tap enable, you just allow the bootloader to be unlocked. You can go back and here let's choose reset options, tap erase all data, so the factory reset, tab reset phone and erase everything. Now the device is performing the hard reset operation, but this time is also erasing the FRP protection, so you have to be patient and wait until the operation will be done. Alright, now let's simply go through the initializing setup process. Choose my language, let me skip all necessary settings just to have access to the home screen. Let me show you that I can activate my device without the Google Verification. Skip anyway, tap agree. and now you can choose not now. And as you can see, now you have access to your home screen, so everything went well. Just activate your device without the Google verification, so you just fully remove the factory reset protection. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.